Today I am going to show you one of my most favorite things, Gypsy. This is one of my most favorite things. So what we are going to do is breath work, also called pranayama. I'm going to show you two breath work exercises that you can do absolutely anywhere. Nobody even needs to know. Well, the first one people might look at you funny, breath of fire. So, but I'm going to show you two exercises that you can do absolutely anywhere. In the middle of the day, I frequently do this in the first thing in the morning when I wake up, which is breath of fire. So when you exhale, you're going to breathe in and out through your nose, so it's kind of handy to have a tissue just in case. If you have a cold, this isn't the greatest thing to do. You might want to wait until that's over with. So breath of fire, you're breathing in and out through your nose only. And when you exhale, your diaphragm goes in and the inhale just completely takes care of itself. So all you need to think about is your exhale, and it looks like this. You don't have to hold this. I'm just showing you that it goes in when you exhale. So I like to sit on a block if I'm sitting, but really and truly, I did this while I was making my coffee this morning and feeding Gypsy. You can do it in the shower, you can do it in the car, you can go do it in the bathroom stall if you're at a workplace and you just need to get your body from perhaps your sympathetic to your parasympathetic nervous system, your rest and digest. So the other phenomenal breath exercise that I'm going to show you that you really can do anywhere without anybody even knowing is you breathe in. This is going to be on a count of 6 up and 6 down. You're going to take a breath for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, and then 2 quicker ones through your nose. And then you're going to exhale for 6. So you breathe in for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 quick. And then exhale through your nose. So that looks like this. Now on this one, it's extra beneficial, extra credit, if you can make your exhale just a little bit longer than you made your inhale. And both of those two pranayama exercises are going to help you go from your sympathetic, which is fight, flight, and freeze, to your parasympathetic nervous system, which is rest and digest, where you can just think more clearly and have a little bit more inner and possibly outer peace. I hope this is great for you. It is for me. See you next time.